Hi ladies, Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to my kitchen in Solana Beach, California, where I always love having you. All right, so here's the deal. I just finished doing my brand new swimsuit ready circuit training video. 10 exercises, 3 rounds, 40 minutes, and it is tough. You have to go see it. Now, after a good workout, what you really want is to fuel your body and your muscles with healthy food. And one of the best things to eat after a workout is a protein shake or something with a lot of protein in it. Why? Because during the workout, we tear down our muscle fibers and the protein helps to rebuild it. That helps to build lean muscle mass and it helps to keep you nice, lean, and defined. And it just makes you feel super good. So I have for you today a pumpkin pie smoothie, and it is really good. If you like pumpkin, if you don't like pumpkin, don't make it because you're not going to like it. But this is super delicious. Now, the thing about pumpkin, we're using pumpkin puree. Now, the reason that I'm using pumpkin puree is pumpkin is specifically high in vitamin A. It's also high in beta carotene, antioxidants, and it has tons of immunity boosting vitamins. So that's why I wanted to use it. This is really quick and easy, and let me just show you. You are going to, here's how you make a protein shake too. So I wanted to say, start with the heavier ingredients toward the bottom because it makes it easier for the blender to get to them. So our heaviest ingredient here are the ice cubes. So you're gonna start with half a cup of ice. Half a cup of ice. Add your pumpkin puree. The recipe for this is going to be below in the video description, so no worries. But this is about a quarter cup of pumpkin puree. No sugar, no nothing, just pure pumpkin puree. I'm adding a tablespoon of peanut butter. You can use almond butter too. That's a good fat, you need that. I'm adding half of a frozen banana. I'm adding a quarter teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. That's gonna make it taste more like a pumpkin pie. And also what I use is I'm using 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and then I used a quarter cup. You guys, this is really good. If you haven't tried Nut Pods, you have to. It is a non-dairy creamer, no added sugar, very low in calories, and it gives a lot of punch. It gives a lot of good vanilla punch, and it just makes it taste extra rich without packing on calories. I wouldn't do that to you. Pour that in. And just 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. I use vanilla whey protein powder. I'll put the link for it down below if you'd like it. And that's it. And you're just gonna give it a quick whir. I'll do a little more. And that's it. This is just healthy, good protein, and it's a nice way to end a good workout. So good. Pour it into a nice glass, a disposable straw. Tastes a lot like pumpkin pie, I gotta tell you. Give it a try. For this recipe, go down below in the video description. And for everything health, wellness, beauty, fitness, style, and healthy living, be sure to visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.